How to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unrestrict someone on Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first open the Messenger app on your phone, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your menu section, simply tap on the option labeled as settings. And after that, you will be prompted to the settings section. From here, you need to simply scroll down until you see the option labeled as privacy and safety. So simply tap on that, and here at this section you can see the option labeled as restricted accounts. So simply tap on that, and in this section you will see the list of people that you have restricted. And now to unrestrict someone, simply tap on the person username to open the chat, and here simply tap on continue at the bottom. And after that you can see the option labeled as unrestrict. So simply tap on that, and that's it. Now you have unrestricted that person, and that's how you can unrestrict someone on Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.